The international brokerage company, FBS, has been operating successfully on the Forex market since 2009. Thousands of traders from more than 60 countries around the world trade with FBS today, and their number is growing at a rapid pace. FBS guarantees an individual approach to each client. We offer trading accounts of different types and a wide choice of trading tools. With FBS, you enjoy modern advanced technologies and convenient mobile terminals. Each trader may choose the most efficient Forex trading conditions that meet his requirements perfectly. You don't have an opportunity to study Forex, but wish to make money on it? Pay your attention to the modern investment solution, FBS PAM account. You invest, and the best traders in the world trade for you and multiply your investments. We cooperate with the largest banks around the world to provide liquidity to our traders. All deals are traded on interbank foreign exchange market. All funds of FBS clients are kept in segregated bank accounts to guarantee their complete safety and security. Our clients feel comfortable and confident everywhere. We introduce the most convenient payment options in every region of presence. High-speed processing and commission-free payments are always at your service wherever you are. We provide our clients with a unique opportunity to insure their funds against trading risk and guarantee full loss return. Our services are available 24 hours a day. FBS analysts provide the fullest coverage of the latest world news, as well as exquisite financial forecasts and market reviews. Customer Care Department answers your questions in 10 languages. We are at your service in social networks and on forums. FBS contribution to the Forex market development is acknowledged by international financial institutes annually. We strive for the constant advance of our traders and hold contests with valuable prizes regularly. Thank you for choosing FBS.